what is Vana Mahotsav means? Okay. So, it is a festival of trees. Through this assembly, our grade 3 children will help us to understand what is Vana Mahotsava is and why it is important. So first, I would like to invite Rushika of class 3A to introduce about Vana Mahotsava. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
My name is Rushika. Today, I am from class 3A. Today, I am going to tell you what is Vana Mahotsav. Vana Mahotsav means forest festival. It is an annual week-long tree planting festival. It is celebrated from July 1st to 7th, started in 1950 by K.M. Manushi. This coincidence with monsoon season for better sapling survival. This festival is mainly to spread the awareness about the importance of trees. It is a collectivity effort to increase green cover, improve air quality, and create a healthier environment for future generations. Trees are our green lungs, so let us decorate our surroundings with the trees. Trees are so important, so let us save them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Rushika. That was very informative. Now, can you all guess who is this inspiring personality on the screen? Wow, excellent. So, it is Salumarada Thimmakka. Today, Dhaathri of 3A will share a few words about her remarkable contribution to the environment. So, let's welcome her.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhaathri V Shetty and I am studying in grade 3A. Today I am going to talk on Salumarada Thimmakka. Salumarada Thimmakka is an environmentalist from Karnataka, known across India and even the world for her incredible work in planting and nurturing thousands of trees. The word Salumarada in Kannada means row of trees, which is the title of honor that suits her perfectly. She came from a very humble background and worked as a laborer. Along with her husband, she started planting trees, watering them daily, protecting them from grazing animals, and ensuring that they grew healthy and strong. Over the years, those small saplings grew into huge trees, lining the road and giving shade, shelter, and clean air. She has planted and cared over 8,000 trees in a lifetime, a feat that a very few people in the world can claim. Because of her service to nature and society, she was honored with several awards. In 2019, she received Padma Shri from the Government of India. Let us contribute towards building a greener and cleaner future like Salumarada Thimmakka, as her name has become a symbol of dedication, selfless service, and deep-rooted love for nature. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Shall we play small quiz? Okay, about trees and plants. Are you all ready to play? Show me thumbs up then. Yes, very good. So let me ask you some questions regarding the topic, Vana Mahotsava. In which country is Vana Mahotsava celebrated? Good. Which tree is known as the national tree of India? Vana Mahotsava is celebrated in the month of? Good, very good. So now, we heard about the speech regarding Vana Mahotsava. So we played quiz. What's next? Yes, now the grade 3 children are here to present a dance performance. Let's welcome them.
मुझसे सांसों की तुझ में रवानी मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी मुझसे सांसों की तुझ में रवानी मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ तू मेरा हिस्सा है मुझसे काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया। निर्मोहिया है तू, बेशरम है, होता न शर्मिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे, दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे, बड़ा दुखता है।
Yes, it's so very meaningful, right? Yes. So now, let us take a pledge. So I want you to raise your right hand, friend. So you have to repeat after me, right? Yes. I promise to plant at least one tree, to water plant daily, to protect nature and keep my earth green and clean. Thank you. Children, planting trees, it's easy, but taking care of that, it is our responsibility, right? Will you agree with me? Yes. So from today, let us promise to plant more trees, save water, keep our surroundings clean. So will you all follow from today? Thank you very much.